Hi guys, it's Kaitlin and welcome back to another video. It has been another long time since I sat down to record anything, but I finally got internet as of literally yesterday, so I can actually upload things now. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. It's not fitness related, but it is still technically health related, I guess. And that is gonna be what I eat in a day. Being a fresh college graduate, I hardly ever had the time to actually sit down and cook a meal. And it wasn't till recently when I started meal prepping my foods that I realized it's actually pretty simple. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what I have for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even a snack. And I know I'm not in college anymore, but honestly, these meals can work for anybody, whether you're busy working full-time like I am now, or you're constantly on the go, or just whatever the case may be. These meals are super easy to make. It doesn't take much effort, even if you're the worst cook in the world. And honestly, it's pretty healthy. Now, I'm not the sort of person that cares much about how many calories I eat. I do have MyFitnessPal, which my goal is about 1,600. I don't always follow that to a T, but that's kind of my general guideline of where I am aiming to be at. And if you haven't used MyFitnessPal, it tracks your calories as well as the nutrients that are in your meals. You're able to log in breakfast, lunch, snack, desserts, how much water you drink, your exercise for the day, your weight, everything. You're able to track your progress with this one particular app. So like I said, I use that as a guideline for my particular goal, and it helps keep me on track. So if you want to see what I eat in a day as a former college student, then just keep on watching.
So for breakfast, I usually start with something pretty light like a smoothie. I'll usually take some frozen fruits. In this case, I have mangoes, strawberries, and then I'll also get a scoop of protein powder. And yes, it is 4:41 in the morning. Like I said, I take about a scoop of my protein powder and I'll take it over the sink because it makes a mess, and then you just blend it all up.
Cheers.
So for lunch, I just eat something that's pretty quick, only because I have 30 minutes on my break. So for today, I just had a spinach salad with some goat cheese crumbles and beet vinaigrette dressing. For dinner, I decided to make homemade chipotle bowls. I just took about a cup and a half of rice, I then cut up the chicken and split it into half, which was enough to make 2 whole bowls. And then for my toppings, I chose pinto beans and canned corn. As well as some lettuce that came in this salad kit, some mozzarella cheese, sour cream, and medium salsa. So for this meal, I was able to make 2 bowls worth of food. So I just split up the white rice into 2 separate bowls. I then took the beans and split half of it into one bowl and half of it into the other. I then did the exact same thing with the canned corn. Then for the lettuce, I took about a handful of it and just packed it in there because it was already getting pretty full. For the cheese, I used about a cup's worth for both bowls. Then I used about 2 spoonfuls of sour cream. Then once I got the salsa open, I used about 3 spoonfuls of the salsa.
What we do here is go back.
Hardly any room, but we still got the chicken. So this is obviously a very big bowl of food. I know it might look like a lot, but honestly, I don't think it is. I mean, it's only half of a chicken, cup of rice, half cup of corn and beans. So I could probably eat both bowls in one sitting, but as you can see, I definitely had a lot left over to make another bowl for tomorrow. Being a former college student, I guess, I found it easiest when I would meal prep my dinners, mainly because I don't always feel like making food. So whenever I don't have food already available to me, it is very, very easy to just reach in the freezer and grab some unhealthy snack. I have this for tonight, then I have the other bowl for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and dig in.
So for a snack, I decided to make baked cucumber chips. Now, I know most people use zucchini, but I already had cucumbers in my fridge, so I decided to just use them. Go ahead and pop them in the oven at 225 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 hours, and then enjoy your nice little crispy snack.
thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I post more videos. All of the recipes and ingredients that I use in this video will be linked down below in the description. If you have any questions about anything or have any other ideas of certain meals that I can try out, then leave a comment down below as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video.